Number activities shouldn't be boring, not just worksheets. Make them fun so your kids will love maths. So, my first activity is the number sense activity. This activity will improve the hand eye coordination in your child. So, how did I made it? I just took a foam sheet and traced the palm of your child and cut it out. Use these palms and paste them onto the wall using a double sided tape. After pasting it, ask your child to show her the number 1. She will show it by folding the other fingers. Friends, this activity looks very simple, but this kind of activities will increase the fine motor skills in your child. Friends, watch till the end because at the end I will show you a number adding machine. Coming to the second activity, feed the cat and the caterpillar. Make some drawing on the paper, a cartoon like I made a cat and caterpillar, and feed the cat and the caterpillar with some eatables. In this way, they will learn how to count and compare the numbers. Coming to the third activity, water painting. Friends, if you give some paint to your child, they will just mess up the home. Instead, you give them some water and a sponge. They will do wonders on the wall. In this way, my child learned alphabets and numbers just drawing on the walls. Coming to the fourth activity, stacking. I just used some wooden spoons and wrote numbers on it and asked my child to put the grains on them. Instead of grains, you can use pom-poms. They will look colorful. You can enjoy this activity using variety of items available at home. I have done the same activity using finger paints. These kind of activities just take 5 minutes to prepare and the engagement time for each activity will be nearly 30 minutes. In this way, I limit the screen time of my child. Coming to the other activity, hunt for the numbers. This is just a hide and seek game. Hide the numbers somewhere in the house and ask your child to fetch for the numbers. Coming to the other activity, this is the last activity I made. This is specially for the girls. I just made some hairstyle and asked my child to just put some flowers on the hair. If you're having a boy, enjoy the same using cars. Ask your child to play car parking. Write some numbers on the paper and tell them to place the cars according to them. My child really enjoyed this game. In this way, she learned how to compare the numbers, means how much we get for one quantity, 2, 3, and the same way. Plucking the petals is also such a fun learning numbers. There's a final art done by my child. Friends, I was telling, plucking the petals also make them learn comparing the numbers. The child will learn what is the difference between 1, 2 and 3. How much quantity we are getting for 1, how much quantity we are getting for 2, 3 in that way. Now coming to the numbers adding machine. This is my numbers adding machine. I just used 2 paper cups and made holes at the bottom. These 2 paper cups will act as my numbers. Suppose 1 plus 2 in the other paper cup and equals to falls on the tray. 1 plus 2 equals to 3 falls on the tray. I hope you like it. This is the way I spend time with my kids. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Friends, I'm telling you again, these kind of activities improves the fine motor skills in your child, hand-eye coordination in the child, and develop social skills, and also improves the mental ability of the child. So limit the screen time and try these activities. Thanks for watching.